So Center of the Excellence asked, how do you get the plane to come down and turn into a picture? Which is a really good question. So I'll be explaining that in this video. So firstly, you open up CapCut, go into like your video that you want, you go onto them here. So I'll be doing that here. Then go into add, down in the bottom right. Loading. And then you just like go to the, yeah. Then you just pick what like size you want it to be. So if you're doing a short, it's going to be 9:16, which is the TikTok one. Then blur, so you get like kind of the whole screen kinda. Make it so you can't see the borders of the screen recorded part. Now I took a screenshot of it. I'm gonna have to go back. Go onto the little X on the top left, that's what I went on to. Go onto the remove background over there. Now it probably needs a sec to come up, and then it come up. Go on to next. Now normally it would pretty well remove the background and you just have to go into export. But sometimes if it can't recognize the image, which is pretty rarely, you'd have to do it yourself, which is a bit harder, but still works. Normally it would do it perfectly though, where you don't have to do anything. And then once you're done with it, you just go into export, and then you'd have to go back into your like project you were doing, which is like the row there. Go on to that, and then you have to go like right before the video starts, maybe like a second or something. And then you go into overlay, add overlay, and then you go onto photos at the top, and then go into the photo you just remove the background from. And I cropped that a tiny bit so it's not 4 seconds. You just go to the very start of it, and you have to like line it up with the real thing in the video, you know what I mean? Then you do that, which takes a second. And then once it's all lined up, it's really important to crop it so it's like at the start of the video. Otherwise, it will look a bit unprofessional that it's just like stuck in one place after the video's already started, if you know what I mean. Then I just added a like transition in, which was the first one that I also used in the blue guy edit, and then it just comes in nicely, you know. And here is the result.